Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect two Gov lights together using the Gov app on an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Gov light on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now make sure both Gov lights are plugged in, both lights are turned on, and your iPhone Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. If the lights are not added yet, tap the plus icon in the app at the top right corner of your screen. Select your Gov light model, follow the on-screen steps. Repeat this until both lights appear on the home screen. Now, to connect them together on the app home screen, tap Device or Group, tap Create Group, choose Small Model, Group or Basic Group, click the check box next to both Gov lights, then tap Next, give the group name, and then tap Save. Now you will see a group tile on the home screen. And that's it, you have successfully connected two Gov lights together using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.